Hi, to make keyboard bigger on the iPhone 13, we would need to open settings first, then choose this display and brightness tab, and after that we need to scroll till the end to go in the display zoom. So now it is default version, and let's check how the keyboard will look in the default mode, and here it is. Let's go back in the settings, and to make keyboard larger we will need to switch to the larger text. But this will also increase the text itself, your display icons, and so on. So if you don't mind it, you can simply tap this option, tap the done button, and after that select this use zoomed, and your phone will be restarted, and after that you would see your new screen. And here it is. You can see that the text become larger. If you don't like it, you can go in the text size and make it smaller, so it will look like this. And now let's trigger keyboard, and you can see that it is just become bigger. So yeah, that's it how it works. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.